Public
Oklahoma
adjuster
Attorney General is
reacts.
investigating the largest home insurance company in Oklahoma and the United States, State Farm.
The insurance commissioner sent this special notice to all insurers licensed in Oklahoma. It calls out some insurers for underpaying claims. Jonathan told me he tried using that notice and attached it to his emails to State Farm, but it didn't do any good.
It's not favorable to anybody. It's a joke. You have a piece of paper that means nothing.
Now, 6 months later, Attorney General Gettner Drummond announced he's investigating State Farm.
Is it typical that your office would be investigating something like this, or is this someone else's job?
Typically, when an industry is regulated by a state agency, I don't have to be involved. But I'm seeing too many incidences of Oklahomans being injured.
Do you think the insurance department is doing its part in regards to the complaints about State Farm?
I think it can do more.
What do you think is really going on with State Farm?
I think State Farm has a concerted policy of representing full coverage and having a policy of the claim denial inside its own shop. Pay for full coverage, we get no coverage, and State Farm reaps a huge benefit.
Would there ever be any consideration of filing charges of some kind against State Farm?
Oh, certainly. If there have been violations of criminal law, I will not hesitate to hold those accountable.
It's honestly crazy to think how the entire insurance industry works. It's just a convoluted mess of lobbyists, shareholders, and competing interests all vying to get the top dollar. In this scenario, from my understanding, Department of Insurance has been tasked to investigate a pattern of unfair claims practices that State Farm has been conducting on hail claims. That investigation has taken almost 2 years with no apparent outcome. And now the Attorney General is effectively saying, hey, DOI, you're not doing your job, so I'm going to go ahead and intervene in this civil suit. I think what a lot of people fail to understand that are not in the industry is that insurance companies are for-profit businesses. They are beholden to the shareholders. And just like any business, they want to see profits increase year over year. So are there actual written rules and policies on how to deny claims? Yeah, probably to an extent in the gray area. These massive corporations have a boatload of money where they can hire attorneys that are very good at their jobs to write these policies and procedures in perfect legalese to where there's enough ambiguity where you can't necessarily point to that and say, hey, that's unfair claims practice. You're trying to deny claims. You're teaching people how to deny claims. But you got to understand, people understand the assignment. It's going to be interesting how this plays out. And unfortunately, throughout all the battles between contractors, adjusters, insurance companies, attorneys, the one left in the middle is the homeowner.